Hello friends, this food vlogging video was not on the land but in the air. I will review my flights. Singapore Airlines Boeing 787 Dreamliner flight number SQ401. Finally, I am boarding the plane. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner flight number SQ401. It's amazing, and they have a huge selection of movies in the IFE. They even have Bollywood movies. Started shopping things. I took Sprite with mixed nuts, and my sister took orange juice. Opted for the continental section. The meal is looks amazing. The meal consists egg, chicken sausage, society potato, and baked beans. It also has a chocolate cake, a bun, and fruits. The meal was delicious, and the chocolate apricot cake is amazing. Finally, it's time to land. The flight was great. The most thing I liked was the unlimited serving of drinks, the leg room, and the movie selection on the IFE. Wow, it was a great flight. I would like to fly with Singapore Airlines once again.